Hi guys, greetings from Hungary. I'm Ferenc and I'm making the RocketCake tutorial videos. So, as part of my Christmas and New Year's gift, I decided to show you my face, whether it's a gift or not. But I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Although we are in the New Year already, you can see our Christmas tree behind us, and I can tell you that I love Christmas. In Hungary, where I live, the little Jesus brings the gifts to the children, and we have a separate holiday with the Santa Claus at the beginning of December. So we have two holidays with gifts, but the big one is Christmas, and I love Christmas. I remember as a child, as we were standing around the Christmas tree with the family and we were receiving the gifts, it was magic. And later as an adult, it was always great to see the joy of our children as they were opening their gift boxes. So the greatest gift that we can have is eternal life. I cannot give that to you, only God can give that to you. But what I can give you, that's what I will give. And this time it will be the parallax effect in RocketCake. So today we will look at the parallax effect, which looks like this. Now, how we do that in RocketCake? Well, it's not just a simple line of code, so we will have to work some with it, and I will show you how. First of all, let's start to prepare our page for the effect. Let's go to Options, and the name of directory for images, let's change this to just simply images. Then let's create a folder where we will keep our files. I will use Total Commander for it. I like it. So create a new file and let it be, for example, Parallax. Okay. Let's save our RocketCake file there. We can give it the name Parallax. Alright. And let's publish our site there. Let's find it. And okay. Good. Let's check it. Yeah, so this is what we have in the Parallax folder now. So let's go on working. Let's bring in a container. And let's use a picture for a background. Image. Let's choose it. It's parallax background pic.jpg. Here we go. It looks good. Let's save it. Let's publish it. Overwrite everything. Yes. Okay. Let's check it. So this is what we have. We have the RocketCake file, the RCD file, the index.html, the index.html CSS file, and here we have the background picture. Good. Now let's click on this picture and let's change the padding to 0 on all 4 sides. Then let's bring in another container, drop it here on the picture. Here we are. Now, for the parallax effect, we will need a couple of JavaScript files. I downloaded them from GitHub, so I will copy them into this folder. Alright, so here are the two JavaScript files, parascroll.js and parascroll minimized JavaScript file. You can just take a quick look at them. They are quite small and simple. Now, it's not enough to just copy them into this folder. For these to take effect, we will need to copy a couple of lines into our page. And we will do the following. Here we go. This is the index.html file. Right click on it, go to HTML code, and we will copy 2 lines of code into the header area. And these 2 lines are this. You can check them up here in the web page. And yeah, let's put, let's press and enter after them. So it's script, source file, JS, parascroll, minimized JS, end of script, and the same with the other. That's one thing. Let's save it. Now this thing will take effect in this second container. So for that to happen, we have to put a line of code here too. So I right click on it, go to HTML code, and to additional attributes we will copy this code. Okay, class will be Parallax background data, background URL, and the place of the background picture. And then let's press OK. Let's save it. Now I go to this bigger picture, change the minimum height to 50. I can do the same with this, but I want, okay, let it be 500 for now. Let's save it. Let's publish it. Okay, overwrite, yes, okay. Now I want to bring in some text here. Okay, heading 1 comes up here. Change the text to white. All right. Let's bring in a subtitle, heading 2. Okay. Let's save it. Now to see the parallax effect, we will need another container here, so we can roll the page. Let's set the minimum height of this for 1500. Yeah, so we can scroll it now. Let's save it. Let's publish it. And let's check it. Yeah, it runs nicely. I want to make the picture even bigger. Yes. Now let's look into this JavaScript file a little. This is the one. And here it says that scroll speed is 0.5, which is the default number, and we will see that it's quite good. Actually, we can say let it be 0. And let's check what happens then. Let's save it. Well, it just, with a speed of 0, it gives us a fixed background. Let's go back. Let's say the scroll speed is 1. Then it just goes with the picture. Let it be 0.1. Then it should go very slowly. It moves a little, but very little. Let it be 0.9. It's almost completely moving with the picture. You can see that now the distance is this, and it grows. In general, we could say that 0.5 is a safe choice. So you actually don't have to do anything with the picture, with the JavaScript file. Probably this is the best scroll speed. Now I want to show you something else. What we have done, we did it to the banner, but we can do it in the middle of our web page also. I will just copy this container here.
Save it, publish it, overwrite it. Let's check it now. We have the original one. I will just make this one bigger. So we have the top banner here, and we have this thing in the middle of the page also. So I just copy here what we used, HTML file, additional HTML code add. These were these scripts, these two lines of code, and at the element itself, it's like HTML code, additional attributes, and this is the other line that I wrote. So that's it. I hope you like it. Now you can download this file from RocketCakeTutorials.com, so I will just publish it. So here I have this folder, and I will just make it a zip file, and you can I will upload this Parallax zip file with the JavaScript files, with the RocketCake file, and with the image and the index HTML and the CSS file. I will upload this zip file on the RocketCakeTutorials.com website, and you can download it from there.
Well, that was it. I hope you liked this tutorial. If so, I am very, very happy, and I wish you a Merry Christmas and a happy, blessed New Year, a much better one in 2021 than in 2020. I hope we will get off this COVID thing soon. So, God bless you. Best wishes to you. Bye bye.